In primetime news this evening, reactions pour in after the brutal slaying of 9-year-old. Is the government rethinking car seat requirement for taxi operators? And a stolen ATM found, but thieves make off with an estimate $8 million.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Andrea Chisholm.
Janella, if you've ever traveled to some Caribbean countries, you know how frustrating it can be. And so the Caribbean Development Bank is discussing regional collaboration around air travel. That and more in the Business Day.
All right, thanks, Andrea. From Andrea to Karen. Karen, what do you have coming up in sports?
Well, Herman, Jamaica have stepped up the screening of athletes ahead of competitions. But now the late return of a critical result has resulted in one player having to withdraw from his team after he had taken the field. So what gives? I will tell you all about that later.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening we're asking, what more can be done to protect children from sexual predators?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at televisionjam1.
Please stay tuned. Primetime News returns after this break.